glass so fine it glows and gleams, a carnival of colors, a sparkling spree, vintage treasures as far as you can see. With a nut in hand helps Angela sort through her magical land. Teacups dancing on a porcelain stage, every piece a story, every crack an age. Friends and laughter, they always stay, memories found in a glass bouquet. Angela smiles, the squirrels agree. Life's a treasure hunt as sweet as can be.
Hi guys, I want to thank Susie, Dragonfly Bees Resale, for sending you guys over here. I am Angela Isaac with Angela Isaac Vintage and More, and this is the train drop hop. So I ship from Oklahoma, from Tulsa, Oklahoma. I invoice with PayPal, and I ship with Pirate Ship. The items I have for you today, you can claim in the chat. You can claim them by the number I assign them, and they'll be yours. I will update the comments with what is still available throughout the day. So if you guys see anything you like, don't hesitate to put it in the chat, and you can bid on, you can claim multiple items. So my first item today is going to be number 1, and this is a beautiful 1950s signed Sarah Coventry brooch. It is a lily brooch of gold tone, and it has a rollover safety clasp. It is 5 inches long by 1 inch across. It is a rollover safety clasp. Let's get my camera to focus here. It's a rollover safety clasp. It goes from the top. The pin goes from the top to the bottom. There it came in. It is signed Sarah Cove. Let me find it. It's right here. It's marked Sarah Cove. Right in here. And it's gorgeous. Rhinestones. They're beautiful. I don't know if that's a garnet or what, but it's gorgeous. So this is yours for $28 by claiming number 1. Sarah Coventry, $28, number 1. That is your first item. Number 2 is another beautiful brooch. And this one is a vintage unmarked brooch. It is number 2. It is gold tone with green stones. It has a swag back, a rollover safety clasp, and it is a 1.5-inch diameter. This beautiful brooch can be yours by claiming number 2, and it is $14. So number 2 for $14. My third item, number 3, is an antique. It is an antique Mosier hand-blown green vase. It is from the late 1800s. It is 7¼ inches tall. It is going to be $25, and it does glow. You can see a green glow. Not sure if I can get it to show here, but it does. You can see it there through the glass, how green it is. It is a beautiful, beautiful vase. And this antique 1800s vase can be yours by claiming number 3 for $25. So number 3, $25 for the antique Mosier vase. My next item is going to be number 4, and it's a beautiful set of hazy crystal lights. They are beautiful. It is a 3-candle candle holder, and it is for a pair. You get 2. There are no chips, no cracks, and no flea bites. It's from the beautiful Hazy manufacturer who makes gorgeous, gorgeous quality glass. So these 2 candle holders are 4¼ inches tall, and they're 7 inches wide. The base is 4¾ inches in diameter. They do glow. Let's see if I can show these on camera. There you can see the green glow through them. They glow green everywhere. And these gorgeous, gorgeous candle holders can be yours by claiming number 4, and they are $26. So $26 for the pair for number 4. So let me make a little room here. Now number 5 is gorgeous Viking. So we have number 5. It is a gorgeous flower light vase. It is 3-footed. Gorgeous, gorgeous Viking green, has the collar and the 3 feet. It does have a flower frog. It is not the original flower frog. It is a marriage. So it's not the crystal light flower frog or the flower light flower frog. My bad. That takes a candle. This is just strictly a flower frog. There's no chips, no cracks, no flea bites. The vase is 4¼ inches in diameter, and the opening is 4.5. So this is a beautiful, beautiful vase. It is $28, and it is number 5. $28, number 5 for the Viking. Now, number 6 is beautiful blue, and it is Napco ware. It's a cobalt vase. It will hold more. It is a bud vase, but it will hold more than just one bud. It has a beautiful optic design here. As it swirls, it is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. It does have a clear applied base. It does have its Napco sticker. So this is 7¾ inches tall. It has a 2.5-inch base, and it is $12, number 6. Napco base, $12, number 6. Number 7. Excuse me. Number 7 is going to be a pair of vintage soup mugs. Fall is coming. It'll be here before you know it. These are classic 1970s soup mugs. They are stoneware, and they're perfect for the fall weather that's coming. They are a speckled beige color. Don't know if you can tell that it's speckled. And it has they have a diameter of 4 3/4 inches. And they will hold a great bowl of soup or chili. Look how large those are. So they are the speckled design. There we go. No chips or cracks. There's your bottom. They do say Japan. These great soup mugs can be yours today by claiming number 7, and they are $20 for the pair. Number 7, $20. Now, number 8 is gorgeous. It is a beautiful hand-blown mid-century modern vase by Rainbow. It is an art glass vase with an applied rigory band around the top in contrasting yellow. This vase is 5 1/4 inches tall. It does have its rainbow sticker. It is faded, but it is still there. So it is, this vase exudes a cadmium glow. I can't think this morning. It does have a cadmium glow. You see how that lights up? The red does not glow. It does show the cadmium glow on the bottom at the pontil. And of course, at the top around the rim. So this is number 8, and it is a buy it now of $22. By claiming number 8 for $22, this beautiful rainbow vase can be yours. So number 9. Number 9 is different. I love it. It is a light blue Victorian boot vanity lipstick holder. So you put your lipsticks in here. It sits on your vanity. And it's just a little decoration. You don't have all the tubes laying on your vanity. It holds 3 tubes of lipstick or chapstick. It stands 2 1/4 inches tall. And it is 4 inches wide. This is number 9. And it is $12. No chips or cracks. Number 9, $12 for the lipstick holder. So number 10, this is a hand-blown art glass vase. It is in a smoky blue. It's the shape of a cinched bag, complete with a glass tie in amber. The vase is a beautiful smoky blue and stands 4 1/2 inches tall. It has a 3-inch diameter. It will be $14 and is number 10. So here's your top. Just a beautiful cinched bag design. Has a gorgeous clear base. It is beautiful. So number 10 for $14 for the beautiful art glass. Now, number 11 is also art glass, and it is a beautiful cranberry coin dot. They call it coin dot because of the thumbprints all the way around the base. It is beautiful. It has a handkerchief opening at the top. The vase measures 7 5/8 inches tall, and it has a 4-inch diameter opening. It is number 11 for $16 for the coin art glass handkerchief face. Say that 5 times fast. So number 11 for the cranberry. Number 12 is a little bit of whimsy. I don't know why my camera got blurry all of a sudden. So number 12, I have a black hat shaped ceramic luminary with a jack-o'-lantern face and star cutouts. It's decorated with a patchwork design and finished off with a ghost. He's so cute. You put your candle underneath. There is a hole in the top for the heat, or you can just use the battery operated. This is going to be a buy it now of $7 by claiming number 12. So the luminary can be yours, number 12 for $7. Number 13. Number 13 is large, but it's beautiful. It is a large Princess House brandy snifter, iridized amber color with a clear base. It stands 7 3/4 inches tall and has a 4-inch diameter at the mouth. It has a 3.5 diameter at the base. This large brandy snifter can be yours. It is number 13 and it is $15. There's no chips, no cracks, no flea bites. It's very large and in charge. It is beautiful. So it is number 13 for $15 for the large brandy snifter. Number 14 is gorgeous. It's number 14. This is a striking Blue Mountain pottery vase. Excuse me, from Canada. It features the studio's iconic black and green drip glaze. It is gorgeous. It stands. Oh, excuse me. It has a long, elegant neck and a bulbous base, making it an exceptional piece. It's gorgeous. It stands 10 3/4 inches tall, has a 4-inch diameter base. You can claim it today. Number 14. It is $18 and it is beautiful. Let me show you this glaze up close. Absolutely phenomenal. It's glazed on the inside and the out. It does have its Blue Mountain pottery sticker. Get that to show. There we go. Blue Mountain pottery. It's a beautiful, beautiful vase. It is number 14 and it is $18 for the Blue Mountain pottery. Number 14 for $18. So, number 15. Number 15 is very pretty. It has a tortoise shell design. It is a hand-blown art glass vase in the shape of a fishbowl. It is 4.5 inches tall. It is 5 inches wide. There's no chips, no cracks, no flea bites. Show you up close. It is beautiful. It is number 15 and it is $10. So if you'd like to claim the tortoise shell, it is number 15 and it is $10. Number 16. Similar to the tortoise shell, this is a hand-blown amethyst vase. Has an optic swirl. It is 5 3/4 inches in diameter. It's 5 3/4 inches tall, and it's a 4-inch diameter. It's gorgeous, gorgeous purple. Let me see if I can show you just how purple it is. There we go. It's very, very beautiful. It has that gorgeous swirl in it. This is hand blown, and this is number 16, and it's $14. So number 16 for $14 for this beautiful amethyst vase. So number 17, fall is in the air. So number 17 is a coffee mug. It's ceramic. It's beautiful pumpkins on the front of a white glaze. It says fall is in the air. It's got a beautiful brown glaze on the inside. The mug stands, it's blank on the back. It is 4.5 inches tall, and it has a 4.5-inch diameter. It's 4 inches deep and will hold quite a bit. It's an awesome mug. It's number 17, and it's $8 for this very large and in charge mug. So number 17 for $8. Fall is in the air. Yes, it is. I'm so excited about that. So number 18. Christmas is coming. It's coming. It's a ceramic mug featuring a Christmas theme of a candy cane stating twisted and sweet like you. There we go. Like you. Twisted and sweet like you. How about that? It's in the Great Grinch Green colored glaze on the outside and a red glaze on the inside with a matching red handle. The mug stands 4.5 inches tall. It has a 4-inch diameter, and it's 4.25 inches deep. So the mug is produced by Max and Lucy. I think that's what it is. Yeah, Max and Lucy. And it can be yours for $7 by claiming number 18. So Twisted and Sweet, number 18 for $7. Number 19. I have a piece of Fenton for you. So number 19 is a vintage Fenton Silvercrest vase. It is hand blown milk glass that has a cased clear glass ruffle around the mouth of the vase. It stands 8.25 inches tall. The base is a 3-inch diameter, and the ruffle is 5.25 inches in diameter. Silvercrest was manufactured between 1943 and 1967, and this pattern, number 7258, was introduced in 1955. So this vase is older than I am, and it's number 19, and it can be yours for $16. So the Fenton Silvercrest, number 19 for $16. It can be yours. Claim it in the chat. Number 20. Number 20. My last item. It is beautiful. It's the piece de la resistance. This is a stunning piece of mid-century modern art. It was made by California Pottery. It features a pair of peacocks in a blue luster, iridescent finish, and gold trim. There are no chips, no cracks, and no flea bites. It is stunning. It measures 13 inches long by 11 inches tall, and it's 3.5 inches wide from front to back. There's no chips, no cracks, no flea bites, and no crazing. These peacocks are beautiful. Show you up close. You can get the luster, their little eyes. That is the back. Here is the beautiful front. Absolutely, absolutely stunning. Be a beautiful addition to anyone's mid-century modern home. It is gorgeous. This beautiful creature is number 20, and it is $42. So number 20 for $42. And it is gorgeous. Double peacock. Number 20 for $42. It is stunning. Well, those were my items. I hope you found something that you like. Remember, I invoice with PayPal. I ship with Pirate Ship. If I don't have your information, please send me an email, as my email address is on the screen, with your name, YouTube name, and your address for shipping. I also need your PayPal email address so I can send that. I will be doing my invoicing throughout the weekend and through next week, as this is the end of the month. I would like to ask you all to join me in hopping on over, taking that train right on over to Timeless Jewels by Debra to see what she's got to offer us today, as she is the next stop on this shop hop train. So with that being said, I thank you for being here. I thank you for watching. I appreciate all your claims, and I hope you have a fantastic Labor Day weekend. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.